Hello and welcome back to part 3. Part 3 we're going to show you how to make the first part of the arm, which actually you can apply to the second part. So what we've done is measured 2 rectangles, and again, as with the frame, we've changed the width of the arm. So every time you design and manufacture something, whether it be a prototype or you know, a rough model, what you'll naturally do is you'll evaluate the way in which it functions afterwards, and you'll make some improvements. That's what I've done here. So I've made it thinner. So I've measured and marked out 2 rectangles. I've marked a line in the centre. So I've measured the width, and then I've measured every 40mm incremental. And the reason I've done that is because then I've got a little bit of flexibility if I want to move the robotic arm. You might want to measure every 20mm, so you've got a little bit more flexibility. You might want to make the arm longer. Please, you know, this is how we learn. This is how we learn. We explore and experiment with ideas. So to make this video a little bit shorter for you, I've measured these out already. What I need to do now is place a hole at each incremental point, which I'm going to do with a skewer. So again, using a scrap piece of cardboard, sharp end of the skewer, making sure you don't impale your hand. And I'm piercing a hole at each point. So there we go, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and there you've got the bottom arm. Now we need to assemble that. So there's your base, there's your frame. Now be prepared to modify things. I still feel that might need trimming slightly, so I am going to do the honest. Oh, be careful. There we go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this, in fact, no I'm not. That is where my syringe is going, so I'll leave that in place. So as you can see, this is pivoting at this point here, so it's this skewer I need to take out. Just check it all works. Here we go. And then here's that there, and that there. And there you have your first arm. Now what I've done to keep that in place, so again you could double the thickness, make it stronger, but what I've done is created some rectangles to stick along here to keep it in place and reinforce it a little bit. So you can do the same. What I'm going to show you is how to now get this first arm moving. So have a go at making the arm, check that it fits and it's the right length, and then I'm going to show you how to add your first syringe. Okay, so that is the third part, how to make your robotic arm. So here's your arm. You're then going to add a second arm to that in a moment. So thank you for listening.